last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
So we're about to pull into Pilots Point Marina. I think it's still called Pilots Point Marina. The most stressful part for me is docking. If I can't do it by myself, I'm not gonna do it, because when you try to get help, sometimes if the people that are trying to help you, they might not know what they're doing. They'll let go of the lines too early. You'll end up scratching your boat. Nice boat going by. So if I'm gonna dock my boat, I'm gonna do it by myself. And if I can't do it, I won't do it. I'll find an alternative plan, or plan B. But we're gonna pull into this marina. I already went and took the dinghy over to look at the situation. I know what side I'm gonna be on. The starboard side. I got my lines already out. I got my fenders out. I even put fenders on this side just in case. Doing it at slack tide, so there's like no current. The dock that I'm gonna be pulling into is it's pretty wide. There's no boats next to it. I can't even make it a U-turn, so I think that's what I'm gonna do. At least that's the plan. We'll see how it goes. So I am here at the service dock. I was able to get the boat situated and safe. I didn't hit anything. So I am one happy camper. A little windy now. So we're gonna get some work done on the boat. Get some scratches taken care of, some gel coat work done. And see how much this is gonna cost me.